everyone, and welcome back to my channel. A new video in Learn to Knit Continental, and we're still working with lacy stitches, increases and decreases. I have today Lacy V stitch, and this is what it looks like. It has beautiful leaning column of stitches going towards the inside and the outside, and the yarn overs create this V stitch going up. I think it's beautiful. It's so easy to work, and it's used, I believe this technique is used on a raglan sweater. I've seen it worked on Ravelry quite a bit. It has these kind of V increases on the raglan that give the same effect. These would be nice as summer socks, as you get a little bit of a breeze through the yarn overs. Beautiful as a t-shirt, summer scarf, even a winter scarf. Once you double it, then it will just be beautiful. And this is what it looks like. I stretch it a little bit because I haven't blocked it, just so you can see what it looks like. Let's have a look at the stitch, how to work it. It's worked on a multiple of 9 stitches plus the edge, and I have here 3 stitches on each edge as a garter. Because it's a knit stitch, it would curl. So if you want to make it into a blanket or a scarf, I recommend doing a garter or a moss stitch around it to keep it flat. It's also worked on a 6-row repeat, so it's very, very simple. The first row is knit all stitches. The second and every alternate row is purl all stitches, excluding the edge stitches, which are gartered for me, so I'm going to knit them on every row. So first row is knit all stitches, so I'm going to knit my 3 edge stitches and then knit to 3 stitches left. So just plain knitting. If you would like to see slow demonstration of the knit stitch, purl stitch, decreases and increases, I will list all the videos in the description down below, as we've done that previously. Also, if you would like to know how to cast on and bind off, I will link those videos down below. This is just the technique we use to create these V lacy stitches. I got to my 3 stitches left, which are the edge stitches, and I'm going to knit them. So that is row number 1. Row number 2, which is the wrong side, I'm going to knit my edge stitches. So knit 3. Then I'm going to purl all stitches to 3 left, which are my edge stitches. So simply just purl all stitches. Alright, I've got 3 stitches left, which are my edge stitches. I'm going to knit all 3 of them. That creates the garter edge. Okay. Row number 3, I'm going to knit my edge stitches. So knit 3. Okay, and now I'm going to knit 2 together. So go to the second stitch, bring your needle through both of them and knit them 2 together. Knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, and then SSK. So I'm going to slip 1, slip a second one, put my left needle through both of them and knit them through the back loop. So we repeat that until we have 3 stitches left, which are our edge stitches. So knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK. Repeat that until we have 3 stitches left. So knit 2 together, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2, SSK. So slip 1, slip another one, and knit them through the back loop. And now I have my edge stitches, and I'm just going to knit them. Row number 4, on the wrong side, it's purl all stitches excluding the edges. So I'm going to knit 3, which are my edge stitches, and then I'm going to purl to 3 stitches left, or I'm going to purl to my edge stitches. Including the yarn overs. Oops. Knitting through the viewfinder is a bit of a challenge. One more, and I'm going to knit my edge stitches. Okay, row number 5. See, that's where we're at. Row number 5, I'm going to knit 3, which are my edge stitches. Then I'm going to knit 1, knit 2 together. So go to the second stitch, bring the needle through both of them and knit them together. Yarn over, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, slip 1, slip another one, and knit them together through the back loop, and knit 1. So we repeat that, which is knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, SSK, knit 1. We repeat that sequence until we have 3 stitches left or only your edge stitches. So knit 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 3, yarn over, slip, slip, knit 2 together, so SSK, and then knit 1. And now I have my edge stitches, which I'm just going to knit. For the last row, which is row number 6, I'm going to purl all stitches excluding my edge stitches. So knit 3 for my edge, then purl all stitches until my edge. If you would like to knit a blanket using this stitch, I recommend a 6 to 8 stitch edge, garter or moss stitch, to kind of make it sturdy enough, because we're knitting lace and sometimes it stretches. I have 3 stitches left. I'm going to knit them. So here we go. Stretch it again. This DPN is a bit small. My stitches might fall off, but this is what it looks like. You see these V's going up, kind of like column of V's going up, and then these column of stitches are kind of like going in like that. So yeah, that is the Lacy V stitch, and it's very simple, very good for beginners. Beautiful for socks, like I said, scarves, summer knits, blankets, anything you like to knit with it. If you knit a flat piece, then remember to put a garter stitch around it because it will curl. Like I did here, I have 3 stitches on each edge and I've done 3 rows of garter stitch at the bottom. I would do 3 garter stitch at the top and then bind off loosely. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and check the other videos in this series of Learn to Knit Continental. And soon we'll be diving into cables, but we'll see. Thanks for watching. Bye.